Hello, maskers. I have another little bit of tidbit information. Okay, so we see this new silhouette, and we see this barrel-y thing, which is the adjustment mechanism. When I sew the mask and thread the elastic through, I put both ends through this. Now, I know you've seen smaller barrels than this. For example, you can see masks like this, the traditional over the ear, and you'll notice that some now have a small barrel. I experimented with those small barrels. Not very successfully, and here's why. Because I have arthritis in my fingers. And the single smaller barrel, it took me a lot of swear words and a lot of time to get the two pieces of elastic through it. So I researched it, and this is called a double barrel, and it's a double barrel because both ends move easily. And I can do it with whatever finger is pain-free. And let me tell you, this is the secret to life. If we still have pain-free options, that's my default position. So that is why I wanted to find a silhouette that worked, because I knew having this behind my ear, oh no, I would not do it. I don't want anything around my ears at this point. So that is why I did this. Also, when you receive your mask, you'll notice that on the edges looks a little singed. And you know what? It is, because that prevents the elastic from fraying. So if perchance it starts to fray after multiple washings and stuff, and always hand wash, just take a little match and singe the ends. Okay, the other thing I wanted to point out again was that your head, my head, your head, not the same size, right? So how this is configured can be customized to your head, and this is one of the reasons I like this. So if your head is larger and you need more elastic around the crown of your head, you just pull it through and try your adjustment. So you put it on this way, over your head, over your nose, and then get the top elastic and put it around your head. Adjust your nose so your glasses won't fog. And then you see this is a little too big down here. So I just take this and this is comfy. So just remember, this can be enlarged or decreased simply by pulling on these elastics, and then once you're done securing it, and honestly, you don't have to do it again. You leave the store, you take the mask down, you drive, you go to another store. The only thing I find I adjust is that I just give the nose clip a little pressure. Okay, maskers. That's it for today. Maskers, I forgot to say that in previous videos I've said that I'm not exactly a sewing sweatshop, to put it mildly. And so I only do a few a week. And so the new ones I will post on Instagram on Fridays, I think. And on Instagram, I'm at Pat Coakley. And that way you can see if I've done any new designs. And if you want one, you can email me because I do so few. I'm not having like 20 or 40 of one. I can't put them in a normal online store because if someone ordered 3 and I'd be out. So you need to email me and I'll tell you or show you a photo of what I have available. And if you want one, fine. And the prices are $18 for one without a nose guard and $20 with one. Now I've noticed that most of the orders have been with the nose guard. I guess most young people don't wear glasses. I don't know. But so I do need to know ahead of time whether you want the nose guard or not, because these days I'm sewing them all with the nose guard. And because I don't always have that much fabric, it's going to be a bit iffy. But at any rate, this is not my get rich quick scheme, I can tell you that. But email me and I'll tell you and show you what I have, and we'll go from there. All right. Over and out.